today I want to show you guys a nails product from Danni and Toni. First of all, let's talk about the design. Honestly, I really like this packaging. It's very simple and high fashion. And the side design is also very clear to show the style and printing. Let's open it and check what we got. Oh, there's two things we have. The first one is foldable pockets for nail. We can use for a while. And I have to say that design is very convenient. Okay, check another one. The another one is design of a small envelope. This is to avoid ultraviolet radiation and make the gel nail itself hard. So don't forget to put it back when we don't use it. Has a lot of interesting and creative styles. Today, let's try the new and yellow one. There are 4 designs, 28 in gel and 7 sizes for us. So no matter which size, you can find suitable for you and create your own. Just play with your style. It's really worth it. Small tool include the first things: prep pad, new file, stick, and scissors. Also introduce how to apply the gel nail. Let's explain the method in the operation. Okay, get the toys ready. I have also prepared a new clipper so we can have a contract later. Let's start. The first step is remove dirt and oil from each nail. Open the prep pad and wipe your nails. Without dirt and oil, sticker can be set more securely on a nail. The second step is pick one gilt sticker size and style you like. Tear off the protective film and paste it on the finger. Actually, I have the later step, but if your nail surface is rough, you must use new file to polish the surface, so that will sit nails better. But if you do some care as I do, be on it. The third part, cut out the excess gel with nail clippers or scissors. I choose scissors because it's better to deal with the details, but as I said, just using your own way. Nails are very short, you can leave some last, then trim it after LED lamp. And if you find your nails is in the middle of 2 sizes, choose a smaller one and turn it apart. Be careful, don't stretch too hard. plain of wood stick would have to have a gel very close to groove. If you feel the edge of nails is too narrow to press by finger. Just like this. Step 4. Put your fingers under the LED lamps for 60 seconds. And 2 rounds can make it more stronger. Don't skip this step. Just like we do in the shop, it helps us to make our gel glossy and long-lasting. The last part is repair the nail shape with a file. So we're done. Just 10 minutes. We got a beautiful new nails. If you want, just give it a wipe. You still have so many nails. Just don't forget to save them in the dark, and we can use them again.
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water.
If you follow me to the end of this video, I'm so sure that you're already interested. Trust me sis, it's worth the try. Thanks for watching. See you next time guys.
I'm so glad the sun stayed around.